I'm looking to get work that I've never done before with this, not just the stuff that I was doing before, doing it better. My name is Colin Trito. I'm the owner of American Reprographics Incorporated, which is located in Rockville, Maryland, which is just outside of Washington, D.C. in the U.S. I'm doing less color matching, color fixing. It's truer to the original, just out of the box, which is saving time. And the prints that I can create from those scans is what people get blown away by. And that's what brings people back. Like, wow, I didn't know you could do this. I'm like, yeah. I discovered the Apiron 42, and the more I learned about it, then I had the demo. I wanted it immediately for various reasons, but mostly because no one else has one in our area. It's wider. It handles larger artwork. The speed of it is great. The ease of it is great. No warm-up time is great. It's, for a new product with the new software, I was expecting a lot more glitches and problems where I'd be calling support. And I've called support once. It was minor. So, it's solving problems without creating problems. Before, if someone brought in something as large as 24 by 36 piece of artwork, something flat, and it was in a frame, I would have to take it out of the frame. I'd have to scan it in quadrants on the 18 by 24 inch scanner, and then crop it in Photoshop, then photo merge it, and all of that would cost X amount, and that would take a lot of time. And with mixed results, because if the original is completely rigid, then you have problems lining up the stitching. I can charge basically the equivalent of what I was charging before, but it takes me 5 minutes, not an hour, 2 hours, something like that. And it's just easier, and it's a better result. The scan is better. The features of the cameras are great. The lighting is great. If it's in a frame, I've scanned things that are framed behind glass and acrylic. Has come out great. So that was a deliverable I wasn't sure of, but yeah, it's delivering so far on that as well. I see the value in it like immediately, because what I can scan, I can reproduce. So it's leading to print volume, production value that was either cumbersome before or on the fence on whether or not it was going to work out. Like, I don't like that. I don't like promising things I can't deliver. And I know that with this, I know I can scan, pretty much anything that's within the size range, and I can reproduce it, because we have printers that print larger than what that can scan. So it's great.